Hello and welcome to Last One Barbecue. This is my entry into the Superbowl snack collaboration. 4 pounds of wings here, and they have no tips, but I'm splitting them into drumettes and flats, placing them on 2 racks, and then just patting them dry. Seasoning them with some smoked salt. This is to dry out the skin a little bit and leaving them in room temperature for about an hour. In the meantime, I'm choosing the large Portex for my grill, putting all the old charcoal, some new charcoal, aluminum foil around them on the grate, just to catch the drippings more or less, and then lighting up the grill. Time to fix the, new grate, stainless steel, really good. Anyway, 3 tablespoons of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of lemon pepper, and 1 tablespoon of onion powder, shaky, 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 and it's time to put them on the grill. I'm starting out feeling confident, but then realizing that I need to use the stacker to be able to fit them all on there. As you can see, it's pretty warm, and it was it started out at 400 degrees, but then I ran it at 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for about 45 minutes until they were crisp. I flipped them once halfway through. Towards the end, I started making a sauce. 4 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 1 deciliter or 2/5 of a cup of Valentina hot sauce. It makes a really good taste. And then 3 tablespoons of lemon pepper. Okay, adding the finished chicken to a bowl, and then pouring the sauce over them, flipping around, putting them on a grate to kind of soak up and dry, serving them in a big pile, and time for a taste test. Really good, really, really good. There we go, some lemon pepper and buffalo sauce kind of chicken wings. Let's try them. Really nice. Almost as good as the garlic pepper wings. Let's try it. Just excellent. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.